like a Hellcat.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang isa sa pinakamagaling na magic trick. Ngayon ay ating i-reveal. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe at i-click ang bell icon para updated ka sa panibagong video.
Chili in different ways you can mix it up, so watch that close. Completely mix it up, one-handed in the bag as fully as possible. Back to solve. I think you have a guess on how I do that, right? Some people guess there's a second cube in the bag. I will prove the bag.
Sa trick nito, nangailangan tayo ng isang paper bag. Para mas lalong maintindihan nyo ay aking siyang butasan. Ito. At isang Rubik's Cube. Ganito ang pag-scramble. At gawin mo ang T-perm. At ganyan lang. At i-reverse mo lang yon. At para ganyan. Tapos